Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to change avatar on your WhatsApp. So what I mean by changing avatar is either you want to customize the avatar, you want to edit the avatar, and either change the clothing of your avatar on your WhatsApp. This is what you need to do. First, open your avatar. First, open your WhatsApp. Once you have your WhatsApp open, click on this three-dotted icon on the top area and go over to the settings. Now, under the settings, you can either click on your profile image, select your profile, and you can notice this is the look of your avatar. This is current avatar that is actually active. So if you click on the camera icon, it's going to show you three different things. You can click on the avatar to choose different avatar position or posture. Now you can either select this or select that or select this or choose this or that one. So many of them you can just go ahead and swipe or change the background. That is if you want. But if you want to edit the avatar, all you need to do is to click on edit on the bottom. But if you want to confirm to change it, just click on this check icon on the top right hand area and it's going to update to this. Now if you want to edit the avatar, you can edit it from that area, or you just come to this avatar section and you click on this pencil icon right here. When you click on the pencil icon, it's going to show you a section to edit your avatar. So I just want to change the look or the clothing of the avatar. I think this is not bad. So after I've selected, I'm going to click on done and I'm going to say save changes, and it's going to be saved. So I'm going to click on next and you notice my avatar has been saved. Now it should update this, but I do not know why it did not update. Well, no problem. Let me go ahead and update it by clicking on the camera icon, avatar, and I'm going to go ahead and choose that particular avatar that I still have. You can notice right now it's trying to refresh to choose that particular one. So I think it's accurate now. I can either do this or do that, or just go over to this area and choose the same one. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. I think it's cool. So click on this confirm icon to confirm it, and we have just updated our avatar. So this is actually how to change your avatar. And please, if you have any question about this, please let me know on the comment section. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next video. If you want to know how to fully create an avatar, please watch my previous video, or you check on the description section where I'm going to leave that. So thank you and see you soon. Peace.